Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday and it's March 12th, so I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. And we got a lot of economic news scheduled for this week. Today just happens to be the one day that we're kind of light on news. So we'll jump right into the headline news today. And that basically is showing some mixed results on the stock market. Dow's up a little bit around 24, and Nasdaq and S&P are both down. So a little bit of different news that are going on over there. Interesting point here I saw was China was reporting that the yuan is currently around the true market value. So their finance minister over there is kind of making a statement saying that there's some of the actions that they've taken to uh, based on a lot of global criticisms about them manipulating the yuan to make it so cheap that their products are cheaper to their countries importing to the other countries. So the basically they're basically saying now is with the different things that they've done is now it's about where the true value is, and it's just over 6 yuan to a dollar, for example, of what that is. So I haven't seen any reports of what other finance ministers are saying if they agree with that assessment or not. But there was just an article in the Market Watch that they mentioned that they feel now it's about the right around that the true value. So kind of interesting point there. Another item here is note will be big tomorrow is the Fed meetings. Got their FOMC meetings are going on today meeting. They meet every 6 weeks, and then tomorrow they'll have their statement. So tomorrow definitely could be a market mover. Usually they do that around 11:15 Pacific Coast time. So we'll kind of see what they have to say tomorrow. So we'll just jump over to the bond market and see what interest rates are doing today. Now, I want to point out an error I made on Friday. What I did was we had a drop of 30 basis points, which we did. But on that 30 basis points, we also had what they call bond rollover. So basically, kind of pack up the old bonds and reset for the new one. And that means basically that rollover, there's no negative or positive. So it was about 30 basis points, and basically where we started off yet last week here should be actually up here. So we actually had a nice run up last week. Today we're down a little bit. We're up, but we're down a little bit for the day. So as you can see, we have a pretty big jump here. Almost, what do we start off? Almost about 20 basis points, about 18 basis points here from when we left off on Friday. So actually today's looking good. So rates actually improved last Friday versus what I had mentioned that was a loss. The big market mover was supposed to be Friday, but I guess I missed that. So I just want to let you know I did miss it, and that actually this is due to a bond rollover, not to the market's reaction to the jobs numbers that were reported on Friday. So we did actually have an improvement because this bar here should be up closer to here, and on a normal if it wasn't for the bond rollover. And right now we're just hanging on about the 10-day moving average right now. All right, folks. So interest rates are better today, and as they were better again Friday. You guys have a wonderful day. If you guys are on Mike's Daily Market Report, please subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.